In this episode, we will learn to restore brass kitchen cabinet knobs.
Hey, good people! Welcome to Mommy Room Redo. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we're going to be introducing a new segment and a new mom.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
Francine Hope will be hosting our Fran's Friday Hacks.
I'm Fran, an entrepreneur, mom of 4 with 5 beautiful grandchildren. I'm also a lover of mommy hacks and, of course, budget-friendly solutions. I help moms work smarter with tips, tricks, and shortcuts. It's time for Fran's Friday Hack.
Today I'm going to show you how to restore your kitchen cabinet knobs. So this is my kitchen cabinet knob. Oh my gosh, for 20 years I've had this knob. And I restored it, but I want to just, show you how to restore your kitchen knob to this. I mean, oh my gosh, isn't this like 2 different colors? Yeah, so what you need is some flour. So we need to make a paste. So we'll take out flour, and I'm just gonna do, I don't believe in measuring, and I'm not making a cake, so I don't really need to measure. So that's just regular flour. Mine's is all-purpose. It's in my little Tupperware container, and then I'm just using regular table salt, and it's supposed to be a teaspoon, but yeah, that's a little bit more than a teaspoon. Okay, and then the next thing you need is vinegar. So I know this says cleaning vinegar, but I typically use regular vinegar. I just happen to be doing a lot of restoring in my kitchen. So I am going to pour that in and make a paste. All right, so I'm just going to stir it, make a paste, and as you can see, it's a little lumpy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more, almost like make it like pancake batter. So I put a little bit more vinegar. I went overboard on the vinegar. Yeah, so you're gonna make it like a pancake batter. And then all you do, once you have it mixed, and hold on one second, get the lumps out just like you would make some pancakes. Nobody wants any lumpy pancakes. So then when you're finished, you just take your cabinet knob and just dump it in the paste like this and just let it sit. So you can let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then when you take it out, you're just going to clean it off and your knob will be restored to this. And this is so beautiful. So that's your kitchen hack for today.
So, what hack would you like to see next? Let us know down in the comments. If we select your suggestion, we will shout you out in an upcoming video.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.